Hello, alright guys, today I'm just going to talk about something a little bit I think should be able to help somebody, and I'm working on a BMW 528. I'm trying guys to get this axle out. It's right here, is the axle. I'm trying to get it out, but guys, I've tried several means to get this thing out guys. Like I keep trying to open here. I open guys this suspension strap, but guys it can't come out, like all of it from just right all down here guys. So guys, I saw online somebody just said something just really interesting guys. What you do, you come just down right here, you see this lower control arm right here, you just open it from here, and then guys when you open it from right here, I'm just going to show you how this thing should come out. And then guys, we'll have like some flexibility. You just like yank this thing forward, and then once we push it forward, and then we can just securely guys just hit from right here, and then guys get this control arm out. Sorry, they're not the control arm, just get this axle out. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do it. So guys, I've done this already. I've just opened this this part. This is a 36mm. This is how it looks like. This is a 36mm, so I just used a 36. So I think I messed this up. There's a way guys you have to do it. I didn't do it right, so you just need to just get it out of the way, this thing. So I guess I'll have to find a new ball, a new screw to put it in. So what I did guys is I used a 36mm just right here, but this is how it looks like from the top. And then once you have it guys, you just open it. You might need something like an impact gun. And then once that is done guys, you get that thing out of the way. Another thing guys is how to get this guy out is you look for something like this, a center punch, and then you need something like a hammer, and then you hit it from just in the middle right there. You hit it all the way, so when you apply more pressure to it, it will stop moving back. Alright guys, let me just show you in a moment how this thing comes out, and then guys, I hope this really helps you out as you fix your front axles, as you replace them, or you do your repairs in your car. Alright guys, both of them, they're 18mm, so you just like you see right here, this is 18. You get this out of the way. Alright, it comes like this, and then guys, you look for a tool like this. It's just like a priming tool, and then you just pry from either from the top right here, you pry like that. You just pry from the bottom like that. Let's get it out of the way. Alright, so guys, this one is out of the way. So what you do, you just come right here. You just see guys, this is how it looks like. It comes out of the way. Now guys, this thing is going to give us like guys enough leverage as we just pull this thing out. So you turn this thing to the right side. Let me show you in a moment guys. So you turn this thing like this. So once you turn this way guys, the up there moves like that. Here just moves like this. Just make sure this guy is out of the way. Let's take it out like that. Alright guys, so you just pull from here. Alright, you just pull like this, and then you just push forward. And once you push forward, guys, this guy should be able to just come out. So let me show you. You just hold here, you just push it outside, and then this thing, guys, should be able to just come out like that. It's free of charge. And once it comes out like that, guys, you can just stop it from here. You just stop it from right here, just slowly, and then this stuff, guys, should be able to just come out just quick like that.